Ushuaia is a truly unique destination, known as the southernmost city in the world, the famous End of the World. Located in Tierra del Fuego, at the southern tip of Argentina, it combines snow-capped mountains, forests, lakes, and the Antarctic Ocean in a landscape that looks straight out of a movie. In this video, we'll show you everything you need to know to visit Ushuaia: what to do, must-see tours, entrance prices, where to eat, where to stay, transportation tips, and much more. Let's go! The first place you can't miss is the Tierra del Fuego National Park, one of the most beautiful spots in Argentina. It's only about 7 miles from downtown and full of hiking trails, lakes, and viewpoints with breathtaking scenery. Inside the park, you can take easy walks or hop aboard the famous End of the World train, a historic narrow-gauge train that follows the same route once used by prisoners from Ushuaia's penal colony. The park entrance costs around $16, and the train ride averages about $40, depending on the class you choose. Another must-do activity is the Beagle Channel navigation, one of the region's most popular experiences. During the cruise, the boats pass by islands home to sea lions, colonies of cormorants, and the iconic Les Éclaireurs lighthouse, a symbol of Ushuaia. The excursion lasts around 3 hours and costs about $60 per person. There are also longer versions that include landings on the islands and guided hikes. One of the most stunning sights in Ushuaia is Laguna Esmeralda, a roughly 6-mile trail leading to a vibrant green lagoon surrounded by mountains and glaciers. You can hike independently or join a guided excursion, which costs about $50 and includes transportation. It's one of the most photographed spots in the region. Another unmissable place is the Marshall Glacier, located just a few minutes from downtown. You can drive up to the base and then hike for about an hour and a half to the viewpoint, where you'll be rewarded with panoramic views of Ushuaia and the Beagle Channel. In winter, the area turns into a small ski resort with equipment rentals and cozy cafes. Entrance is free. A very interesting stop is the Maritime Museum and Prison of Ushuaia, housed in the city's former penitentiary. Here, you can learn about the region's history, Antarctic expeditions, and see the original prison cells used until the mid-20th century. The entrance fee is around $20, and the visit takes about 2 hours. But don't worry, in the video description, we'll leave the link to the website, where we always buy our tickets and tours at the best prices. It's the largest tour site in the world and has practically everything you need: attraction tickets, excursions, and day trips to nearby places. Everything at the lowest prices, and you can pay in any currency, saving on exchange fees. They even offer great free walking tours. And remember, in that same link, you'll find everything you need to plan your entire trip at the best price: travel SIM cards, travel insurance at half price, attraction tickets, affordable hotels we've stayed in and recommend, cheap car rentals, and global accounts to take your money abroad while paying fewer fees. The links already include automatic discounts and are constantly updated, so save and use that page. It'll make your trip much easier. Another incredible experience is visiting the Terrocastor Ski Center, the main ski resort in Ushuaia, and the southernmost one in the world. It operates from June to September and is perfect for skiing or simply enjoying the snow, riding sleds, or dining in a restaurant overlooking the mountains. Day passes cost around $50, and you can rent clothes and equipment on site. Another unforgettable experience is the Martillo Island Penguin Tour, where you can see penguins up close. The tour departs from the Ushuaia port and passes through the stunning landscapes of the Beagle Channel. The full tour, including transportation and guide, costs about $120. It's one of the most memorable experiences, especially for families with children. During winter, another popular activity is the dog sled ride with Siberian Huskies and the snowmobile tours through the snowy landscapes of Tierra Mare Valley. The complete tour, including transportation, costs around $100 and is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. For accommodation, the best area to stay in Ushuaia is downtown, where you'll find restaurants, shops, tour agencies, and the port from which most excursions depart. It's a lively area with great views of the channel. We created a custom map showing exactly the best area to stay in Ushuaia. If you stay in that area, you can't go wrong. In the video description and in the QR code on the screen, we'll leave the link with the map and also the hotels we've stayed in and recommend, including one that was good, affordable, and super well located. To get around Ushuaia, you can walk almost everywhere in the city center, but to reach more distant attractions, it's best to hire transfers through local agencies or rent a car. A great tip is to pick up your car directly at Ushuaia International Airport, so you avoid spending on taxis or transfers to your hotel and save time since you won't need to go to a rental office later. Remember that booking online in advance is always much cheaper and guarantees your vehicle. And don't forget to use the price comparison link. It checks prices across all major rental companies and finds unbeatable rates. For shopping, San Martin Avenue is the main commercial street, filled with clothing stores, chocolate shops, wine boutiques, and souvenirs. Prices are a bit higher than in Buenos Aires, but the quality is excellent. Don't miss trying artisanal chocolates and caliphate berry jam, a local specialty. If you want to explore more of the region, there are great day trips to Lago Fagnano and Lago Escondido, Two beautiful lakes nestled between the Fuegian Andes Mountains. The tour includes transportation and lunch and costs around $70. Another great experience is visiting the end of National Route 3, the last point of the road that runs across all of Argentina and ends inside Tierra del Fuego National Park. It's a perfect spot to take photos with the famous End of the World sign. Before traveling, don't forget travel insurance, which is now mandatory to enter Argentina and covers medical emergencies, lost luggage, or unexpected events. In the video description, we'll leave the link to the provider we use, which offers up to 50% off and excellent coverage. Ushuaia is a destination that blends nature, adventure, history, and culture in a stunning setting. It's the kind of place that amazes visitors year-round, with snow in winter and lush trails in summer. A trip to the end of the world is truly an unforgettable experience. If you liked this video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel to keep traveling more and better around the world. Thank you so much, and have a great trip.